Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to put about b equals to this one and m equals to this one, including the negative sign in here. So this one, that is about negative e to the power of y plus 2xy. Next, we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one, you got only y squared. So we have 2y. This one, that is not about y, so you got number 0. This one, we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of m with respect to s. So we just have only this one, and you got number 1. So we have 2y. This one, that is not about s, so you got number 0. So we can see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. So we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I need to select about this one. And I will put about 3xy. So the integration of s squared, that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of s, that is about s squared over number 2. This one, that is about sy squared. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one, you got number 0. This one, you got 2y. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now we need to simplify for the both sides. So we have negative e to the power of y. Later that, we put the integration for the both sides. And we got like this. So we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. So I will put this one gone here. And this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.